Hi students, problem number 9. At a certain temperature, the ratio of RMS velocity of hydrogen molecules to oxygen molecules is given as below. So which is the right option we have to find out. It's a very simple and easy question. Here only one chance of going error is without understanding that both are diatomic, we should not do. What is the molecular mass of hydrogen and oxygen, we must remember. Otherwise it is very simple problem only. So now the molar mass of hydrogen, okay, for hydrogen which is a diatomic, the molar mass, I will use a symbol M1. So this is 2 times 1 gram, 2 into 1, that is equal to 2 gram. That is 1 mole of hydrogen is equal to how much? 2 gram. Similarly for oxygen, 8O16 is it not for oxygen, but that is diatomic. Therefore its molar mass is 2 into 16 and that is equal to 32 gram. So first you write these informations. And then the RMS velocity, that is V1. V1 is for hydrogen. So for hydrogen this is equal to what is square root of 3 RT divided by M1. Here temperature remains the same, gas constant remains the same. They are constant. Therefore the suffix M1 I have written. This is for hydrogen. Okay. Similar equation if you write for the RMS velocity V2 for oxygen, okay, that constants are same, 3 RT divided by the molar mass is M2. So this is for oxygen. Now what is the ratio? The ratio of hydrogen is to oxygen is asked. Here also we should be vigilant, understand that? So V1 by V2 we have to find out, okay. So I will write V1 by V2. Therefore V1 by V2 is equal to square root of. Now see here 3RT and 3RT get cancelled. Anyhow I will show here. So V1 is what? 3RT divided by M1 into M2 divided by 3RT. So this is equal to, after cancelling 3RT constant, we get that this is equal to what? Square root of M2 divided by M1. So we have to substitute the values of M1 and M2. So M2 is 32. So this is equal to what? Square root of 32 divided by M1 is 2 gram. Here you need not convert this into kilogram SI unit because it is a fraction is going to get cancelled only. So this is now equal to square root of 16 is to 1. So square root of 16 is 4, square root of 1 is 1. So this is equal to 4 is to 1. 4 by 1. Understand that? So which is the correct option is C. Therefore option C is the correct answer. This is very direct and easy question. Only I told you that the molar mass correctly. Sometimes you have a doubt hydrogen means whether it is 1 gram or 2 gram like that. Atomic mass is 1 gram. Okay, but it is a diatomic molecule. For 1 mole of hydrogen means we have to multiply by 2. Similarly for oxygen 2 into 16. Otherwise problem is very simple. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.